guys. I'm not gonna say hey guys, but
hey guys.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Hey guys.
Bonjour, je suis Cindy Bruna.
I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna use this. Come down like that.
To really just get in there.
I'm gonna start with my favorite day cream. I do about 5 pumps. I love the dewy look of just looking really moisturized and plump, luscious skin.
I take my African shea butter, pat off any grease you have, and then you put the grease right back on.
The next product I use is this glow cream, and this just gives this amazing, glowy, illuminating kind of feel.
My moisturizer. It's from Australia. Australian, just like me. Dab it there. Traveling so much really dries out my skin.
Ne pas oublier le cou. Je voyage beaucoup. J'essaie d'hydrater au maximum ma peau.
Eye cream. This is the best eye cream in the whole world. It's also rose. After a long week of working and no sleep, I just put this under my eye and I just like let it sit there for a little bit. And it takes all the bags away.
Biossance eye cream. I just do 1 squirt because 1's enough. I use my pinkies for my under eyes because they're small. I guess we all have our own little techniques.
So you use your ring finger because you have the least pressure when you're closing your eyes. Wow.
Using the ring finger to apply your eye cream or serum, it is the most gentle one out of all your fingers, so it won't do any harm to your eyes.
I don't know what it's called, but I bought this on Amazon and it literally is the best thing ever. So I just massage my face really fast. So like all the blood in my face just gets going.
I'm gonna make a face mask for you guys today. So we're taking a little bit of avocado, acai. It's pure unsweetened acai. So we squish some strawberries. Go in there. Last ingredient is honey. Let's do this. I use my hands for everything. For makeup, to like apply lipstick, everything.
Je commence toujours avec ce petit spray que je mets en premier.
This guy, True Botanicals Nutrient Mist. I just do a little bit of this.
I spritz it on my face and this kind of just gives a really nice, smoothing, healthy glow. It tingles and it feels amazing.
Glow Drops by Dr. Barbara Storm. I use my hands on my face because I know where my hands have been.
Pendant que la peau est humide, j'en profite pour mettre mon sérum qui est de Suzanne Kaufman.
I use this Madeline Guerre's Recovery Treatment Serum. It says 5 to 7 drops, but I use 3 because you'll see when I put it on my face.
Serums are very important because they lock the moisture into your skin.
This beautiful Chantecaille oil. It's rose oil and it really helps my face, like it hydrates my face and it smells really good. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that. I'm gonna use this bio lifting cream and I'm gonna mix it together and just, you know, put it everywhere.
Actually goes into your skin, doesn't just sit on the surface, doesn't make your makeup slip off. Boop, not too much. I don't use any moisturizer, I just use this. This is your moisturizer. I use a little oil, just because your skin is like ready to drink, I guess.
The next product I like to use is GlossierBalm.com, favorite lip balm out at the moment. I'm like a lip balm freak, I love lip balm.
J'en profite toujours par hydrater mes lèvres avec l'Egyptian Magic.
Every time I go back home, I come back with a bunch of these because it is the only lip balm that works for my lips.
Okay, so the next product I use is called the BB Cream, and this gives baby skin effect, so anything that says that on the tin can go on my face. I like to use my hands because it's quick, it's easy, and I like the way like the warmth of your hand kind of diffuses the product into your face in a more natural way, and I feel like you can just correct what you're doing much easier.
BB cream, sunblock for those UVs even in the winter. Spread the sunblock all on your neck and your chest because it's the most sensitive areas that Google told me.
I really like to use this La Roche-Posay tinted sunscreen. It really just gives you a nice thin foundation.
Thank you for watching. I gotta go. I'm gonna go. Ciao.
That's good. I'm done. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.